This is ULEFONE Armor 17 Pro, and today I would like to show how you can add an event to calendar on this device. So to start, we will need to open the calendar app. Then select the date that you would like to set an event for. So let's say I'll go with the 5th of April. Then tap at the plus icon to your bottom right and fill out the event details such as name, timeframes, time zone, repetitiveness, members, location. You can also set up the notifications or reminding preferences for it, so you will additionally make sure that you will not forget about this event. You can also add some brief description or note something perhaps, change the event visibility, and then simply save it. And here you have it. Once tapping on it, you can check the details as well as edit the details by tapping at the pencil icon. Then you can remove the event entirely by simply going for the delete option. So that would be more or less it. We highly appreciate your attention. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.